Stop buying tools you never use. LinkedEmpire's 6-week hand-holding coaching gets you from setup to actual results, step by step. Be honest. How many tools are sitting in your account right now, untouched? You bought them with big plans. Then, life happened. The dashboard confused you. You moved on. LinkedEmpire is different, but only if you actually use it. That's exactly why this coaching program exists. Over 6 weeks, you get intimate, practical guidance, not pre-recorded fluff, real implementation. Someone walking beside you through every stage of building your video funnel lead machine. For freelance funnel builders, this means client-ready systems fast. For course creators, it means a lead pipeline that fills itself. For affiliate marketers, it means commissions from traffic you didn't pay for. One marketing consultant said results were so good, clients started asking, what changed? You don't need another tool. You need a working system and someone to make sure you build it. LinkedEmpire's 6-week coaching program is that. Scroll down, hit the button, and let's actually get you results this time.